What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2022 Lexus ES350. This vehicle has a 3.5-liter V6 with 302 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Before we start, let me put my phone in this wireless charging tray. Nice charging tray placement, by the way. But yeah, this one is just like a base model ES350 2022. Any video I make on any model year ES350 is always very popular. So, bring you a 2022 model today. So you have the bigger screen in this one, which is nice. It's touchscreen as well as controlled by this touchpad. You have a digital gauge cluster. Or mainly the center gauge is digital, but the side isn't. Like the gauges for temperature, engine temperature, and the gasoline. I like in the ES the sport mode selectors, or drive mode selectors. My bad. You also have paddle shifters, nice leather thick steering wheel. And you have like a little handrest for the mouse pad or trackpad. You have open pore wood trim, looks pretty nice. You have nice metal door handles. These door handles were in the LC500 video I made the other day too. I love these door handles, so it's cool how this ES350 has those door handles. They look amazing. Really high quality metal door handles. I love little details like that, you know. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a backup camera. The resolution is pretty poor, pretty standard of Lexus models. Like, honestly, Lexus doesn't really have good cameras, and to be honest, it's always been that way. But the newer Lexus do have better camera, but it's still nothing crazy. You have ventilated seats, and heated steering wheel. Typical Lexus key fob, nothing new. Let's walk around the ES350. You have a red exterior. It's like a metallic dark red. You have the Lexus spindle grille, projector bulb, headlight. Here are the rear seats. You also have dual outlet exhaust on this vehicle. Here's the trunk. Pretty good trunk space. The ES is a pretty decently sized sedan, so that trunk space looks about right, I mean. And the center console storage, as I mentioned, you have a wireless charging tray. It takes up some of the space in here. And then when you slide your phone all the way into the tray, the charging will begin. Let's get this car on the road and see how it drives. Standard acceleration for an ES350. Yeah, nice and smooth ride. It's very comfortable. Typical Lexus. Really nothing surprising here. The ES350 has always been a very comfortable car to drive. It just glides along the road, and there's nothing like crazy about it. It's just nice and simple. That's what a lot of people who buy the ES love. They love the simplicity of this car, and these are also very reliable cars. But if you do want to have a little bit, you know, more fun style to ES, you could get an F Sport, which looks sportier. And has more performance-oriented dynamics to the vehicle. Yeah, this is a nice car to drive. I'm not surprised by anything in this drive. We've now returned to Grubbs Family Dealerships. So that concludes this video on the 2022 Lexus ES350. Thanks for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own Lexus model.